Date rape drug is any drug that's used in a sexual assault. Yes means yes. It does not mean, maybe, just because they didn't say no, that meant yes. No, yes, absolutely means yes. And you don't get confirmation, you don't get permission, then it's a no. These drugs can quickly affect their victims. And I want to tell you about the most common ones that we've seen. Rohypnol, and I'll show you some of the street names, known as roofies. GHB, gamma hydroxybutyric acid, ketamine, and alcohol. Absolutely, alcohol is probably the most frequently used date rape drug. There were some bartenders that were working with some guys that wanted to commit crimes, wanted to have dates and do things to their dates, whether they were girls or boys, without their permission. So they colluded with a couple of bartenders. Bartenders got the GHB, which is just a clear liquid, lined the glass with it, let it dry, and if you're in a bar or a club, it's dark. It's really dark. You can't see that. I mean, you can't see if it's cloudy or if it has something. And then, when they would come up, they would have a signal. They would have some sort of symbol that they would give each other and say, oh, this is the one I'm interested in. But they had some sort of a, hand sign. And the bartender would reach for that glass, take it down, pour the drink in there. And of course, the victim is watching, and brand new bottle opened up, poured it in the glass. I'm safe, I'm good, drinks, and then, no. And then they're drugged, and then they leave the premises. The victim may be aware of what's happening to them while it's happening, but they can't do anything about it. Can you imagine somebody being assaulted, knowing they're being assaulted, but they can't physically do anything about it? So most importantly, if you suspect you have been exposed to a date rape drug or been sexually assaulted, it's really important to get a friend to take you to the emergency room or call 911, get taken to an emergency room. We ask, do not pee, do not wash your hands, do not change your clothes, and do not bathe, because then you'll wash off all the evidence.